Are you questioning yourself about your future? Wondering which career is suited for you? So many options to choose from, yet you struggle to make a clear career choice. LVTC is here to present to you some possibilities. Ladies, we are here to help you explore some non-traditional studies. LVTC wants to offer you one full week of exploration in our machining and welding departments. You will have the opportunity to put your work boots and go in the shops. You will learn to use several tools and machines to transform and exploit metal. With this exploration week, you will come to better understand the jobs of welders and machinists. You will discover that these fields are a nice mix of both manual and intellectual work. You will learn the fundamentals of metal cutting, bending, and shaping in the manufacturing world. We generally think that being a shop worker is always physically demanding and in a loud and dirty environment. Well, think again. At LVTC, we will tell you all about the career opportunities that both the machining and welding and fitting programs can lead you to. Realize the potential of design and bring your ideas to life. So many different career types and paths are available to our graduates. To discover all of this, come spend 1 week with us in the project called Non-Traditional Studies. 1 week reserved just for you ladies. After a week in your work boots, you'll definitely know if one of these fields is made for you. Call us today for more information. 819-563-JOBS. That's 819-563-5627. See you soon, ladies.